Hello everyone. So CrowdStrike has released their Q3 2025 results. So let's review and see how do they perform this quarter. So this video here is actually a continuation, on our previous video, where we reviewed their Q3 2025 result. So Q3 is very important because we want to see, how do they perform, do they, execute what they promise and stuff. Because in the previous video, I shared with you the summary on how they perform. At the end, I already told you guys, on Q3, next Q3 and Q4 here, I want to know, it's very important to know that, whether their ability, to win new customers is still intact and whether they can continue their high growth rate. So in Q3 here, we have to dig out and see how they perform. So again, before I proceed, to share with you guys, about their latest results here, I want to like to share also, do something different here and teach you guys how BIA spot opportunity in CrowdStrike again. You remember at the time when the July 19 outage, right? Then we decided, when it happened, the price dropped, dropped a lot, and we don't realize that it's an opportunity. So I prefer, I prefer to educate you guys instead of providing updates. Yeah, it's very dry, right? Every time you watch the same video, I just give you information and then nothing else really. It's very dry. Yeah, so I prefer to add some flavor, do something different, to educate you guys, so that you can learn, what we see in a stock, how do we think, when it comes to investing, and also adopt our strategy also. Yeah, so I would like to improve all of you, our viewers here, as an investor, one video at a time. Because you can see that we are very confident. We are very confident that we are one of the very few legit YouTubers, who are also real investors at the same time. And we help people generate results from the stock market. Because you can see the results from that we help for our members. You can see here, one of our member here achieved a 69% return after 1 year. Yeah, another one, 130% return year to date. 92% return since inception. We guide them, we share with them, what are the stocks that we are following and stuff, how to structure your portfolio, and these are the results that they get. Yeah, 68% return since inception and 110% return year to date. These are the real people, who achieve real results, being our BIA members. So I would like to share slowly, one of some of our strategies, and our knowledge with you guys. Yeah, so if you like this kind of content here, and you think that, our strategy, our way of investing is something that suits you, then do subscribe, because we'll continue to post a lot of videos for you guys. Yeah, so let's get started here. So how BIA spot opportunity in crowd again. So at the time when, the price dropped, at the time we know CrowdStrike's financial and business is quite strong. Yeah. And at that time, crowd faced a lot an unexpected event at that time. Yeah, an unexpected black swan event that made the market panic. So at that time, the stock price crashed 35% immediately after that. So at that time, many people panic, and then you can see already analysts and even news, right, post a lot of negative things. CrowdStrike cannot win customers already. Their product, is not so good and stuff and everything. Yeah, but then again, we are contrarian investors. We dig out, and we found out that, hey, the business is actually quite good. It's not affected. Yeah, and that's why at that time when it drops, we together with our members, we decided to take a lot of action. We buy a lot, around the below 250 price at that time. Yeah, so we buy a lot, and then half a year later, well, you can see the price recovered to 66% already. So at that time, during 2022 market crash, right, we drop, then we buy more. Now the market gives us another opportunity. We decided to buy more again, and then now we already profited. Yeah. So this is the evidence. I've already guided you guys in YouTube, on my views on CrowdStrike since the outage at that time until today. If you want to know what really happened and how our thought process is, feel free, to go and click the link down below. I've already shared all the links here. Now, so the question at the time, when CrowdStrike price dropped because of the outage, right? The question here is this an event, that will temporarily or permanently change CrowdStrike's fundamentals? But after that, after 1 quarter, we are fairly confident already that this event is actually temporary. Yeah, it's just a temporary, and then we know that sooner or later, market will forget it. Yeah, it seems that right now, it seems the market already forget that there's an outage that happened, because the price right now, if you go back in the price, here, it's like near to their previous all-time high already here. Yeah, the market seems to forget it already. Yeah, so that's how the market works. Yeah, so now I'd like to share with you our analysis on their CrowdStrike's Q3 2025 earnings. So this is where I will share with you the things or the highlights that you guys need to know. So that it solidifies your confidence, and you know what's really happening to their business this quarter. Then you can make the right decision. Yeah, so this is where I will share with you. Now, so number one, now CrowdStrike is still growing. Okay, but this quarter, okay, they show that there's some slight deceleration. The revenue growth 28.5%. Okay, it's very good. Okay, it's quite a high growth, but this kind of growth deceleration. Okay, you know why? Because they were growing at 32, 32, 31, then suddenly 28, right? Okay, but this is already expected. Okay, because of the July 19 outage, where the team, at that time didn't really focus on growth. They were focusing on supporting their customers, get them back online, get them back to business. So that period here, they weren't really focusing on doing sales. So it was expected. It was expected there was some deceleration. Yeah. Now, then another thing, analysts, YouTubers, then go and whack CrowdStrike. See, they will then say, see this quarter, 2025 CrowdStrike, okay, they have losses already. Then they say this is proof that CrowdStrike, okay, the business is not sustainable. One outage already, you can see already, okay, that's why they are having losses. Now, this is very superficial level and textbook investing way of analyzing business. Okay, and that's why they cannot see opportunities, but BIA get to see it. Okay, why is that? You first need to understand why there is some losses here. There's some losses because previously they were in positive, right? The operating profit, right? They were in positive. Then suddenly there's a negative here. Now this is the issue. Companies swung into operating losses, but you must understand why first. The reason here is because there was a spike in sales and marketing. You can see the percentage, sales and marketing percentage for CrowdStrike has always been consistently 36, 34, 38, 36 around here. But this quarter, there is a spike to 40%, and this is the one that contributes, okay, to the losses. Okay, why they do this? The main reason is because there is a temporary pause in sales and marketing last quarter. Okay, because they were busy, like I said, supporting their customers and stuff, getting them back online. So they weren't really focusing on sales already. So this quarter, they made it up. They make up for their previous, budget. All right. So this quarter they pump it for the latest quarter. So they made it up for this quarter and also some costs associated to the July 19 outage. So that's why they are having these losses here. So I foresee for the next 1 or 2 quarters, all right, they will definitely go back to positive already. Okay, so now that you know this, all right, don't simply go and believe other analysts or even YouTubers out there. Yeah. Okay. Then the next thing here, you see, ever since even CrowdStrike have outage, right? Reputation should be how to say broken or stuff already. But it seems that hey, industry analysts still recognize CrowdStrike and give them a lot of awards here. You can see they win a lot lah. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 awards here. Yeah. So like for example, CrowdStrike has been a winner for this endpoint protection platform for many years already. In their latest award, they still win and they are still one of the top here. Okay, winning Microsoft, winning SentinelOne, Palo Alto, all of these cybersecurity companies. Forrester Wave, also the same thing. They are the top one here. Winning Palo Alto, Qualys here. All right. So it seems that, hey, even if there's outage, okay, the industry still recognize CrowdStrike as one of the best cybersecurity companies. Yeah. And if okay, the business is so bad or the software is is subpar, right? That causes outage. Then I want to ask you guys one question. Why are they people still partnering with CrowdStrike? Especially Fortinet. Fortinet is one of the established and one of the top cybersecurity companies. They announced a strategic partnership with Fortinet to unify best-in-class endpoint and firewall protection together with other companies also lah. So you can see that. So why people still want to partner with CrowdStrike? So it shows to us that hey, CrowdStrike is still one of the best. Yeah. Then even if there is an outage, they are still winning contracts. Our competitive win rates remain consistent to trending upwards. So it shows to us okay, their win rate. That means whenever they go and get a customer, what is the percentage of them to be able to convert them into customers? Their win rate is still very consistent. Doesn't really affect it. Yeah. And the total deal size actually trended up over the last year. So this is good news for us. Yeah, good news. Then not only that, they launched 2 physical events. Their famous event called the Falcon. Okay, so it was a record turn up okay to their 2 physical events here. So it shows to us that a lot of people actually are still believe and still interested in CrowdStrike's product and services. They even tell us in the earnings call that both events generated significant pipeline. That means they've done a lot of sales from that event there. Okay. Then the management also told us in their latest quarter here that the annual recurring revenue will re-accelerate in second half of 2025. Okay, now in case you all don't understand what is CCP means customer commitment packages. Okay, so it means that after the July 19 outage, right, somehow CrowdStrike turned it into an opportunity. Okay, they use this event to give a one-time offer or one-time discount to their customers or even future customers. They say, hey, all right, these kind of things happen here and we are remain committed. We like to, like make do lah, okay, make do or even compensate you guys by giving you a much cheaper cheaper product. Okay, if you decided to extend your contract with us and stuff. So this their limited time offer lah, their customer commitment package. Yeah. So the remainder of the CCP is to be concluded in the upcoming quarters, means that there are still deals coming up. Okay, so far the management is seeing Falcon Flex volume accelerating, because a lot of people are taking this deal right now, their Falcon Flex deal. And we see Falcon Flex deal volume accelerating. So a lot of people are actually taking advantage of this limited time offer. Okay, a lot of people want it. So when people want it, there's a lot of demand. It shows there's no issue already. Okay, with CrowdStrike. Okay, so where is it? Okay, management is saying Falcon Flex volume accelerating and is helping them commercialize new innovations faster. And because of this, they are getting deals at the front. And remember, this kind of discount there's a limited discount. Some of them, okay, the offer is like, hey, you will get for much cheaper. Okay, you'll get paid for 1 year cheaper. But after 1 year, okay, you will revert back to your original price. So this is a short term, okay, so-called effect, okay, that on their revenue. But that's why we can see the management projects ARR re-accelerated in the back half of next year. So you can see this time they get a lot of contracts, a lot of revenue, okay, because there are a lot of people extending, and then they are getting more products. So we can see for the next second half 2025, after 1 year, when their contract value reverts back to the original price, that's when you can see their sudden re-acceleration already. So we don't mind, okay? We are long-term investor for CrowdStrike so far, okay? We can't wait to see them, okay, on the second half of 2025 to see them, their revenue re-accelerated. Yeah. So another issue I want to show you guys is, CrowdStrike's ability to win big contracts from customers despite the outage. Okay. So one for example here, the 8-figure expansion deal with a Fortune 500 company. Another one, okay, 8-figure deal here with another Fortune 50 company. Yeah, another one. Also another 8-figure deal with this company here. But the thing is this, they replace a lot of the legacy vendor, meaning to say that this company previously, uses other cybersecurity companies, so-called legacy one means old cybersecurity companies. They displace them and replace everything with CrowdStrike. So that's how good CrowdStrike is. Yeah. And not only that, another Fortune 500 company from the travel and hospitality space one, and replace all other legacy technologies. So this shows how good, again, CrowdStrike is. Yeah. And their largest contract deal by far. They never tell us how much. Okay. But this case study here shows us, okay, company are willing to pay a lot of money. And by far, they never tell us the contract value, but it's the largest transaction so far. Okay, yeah, this customer set a new largest transaction record for our corporate sales team. Okay, so again, everything here that I want to show you guys, okay, is that to tell you nothing is wrong so far. It's just a minor hiccup, the outage here. Okay, it doesn't really affect CrowdStrike's ability to win customers, and not only that, okay, to win contracts that is very big in value. Yeah, so the fundamental is actually still intact. Okay, so the only issue right now, the management is still very honest with us, of course. Okay, there will be some minor headwinds from the July 19th incident. Okay, so pipeline increased. Okay, first thing is this, quarter over quarter increase in pipeline. Okay, that means what? Yes, the sales increased, okay, despite the drama from July 19th. But there, of course, will be some headwinds. Of course, when this kind of thing, there are certain customers who are a bit more careful already, a bit more skeptical a bit. Okay, so the CrowdStrike just need, okay, to get over this barrier, okay, when doing their sales. Yeah, you can see there will be extended sales cycle with both existing and prospective customers. But I believe as time goes by, the CrowdStrike's brand and reputation, okay, to build the belief, okay, with the customers there, sooner or later, this this difficulty will be removed already in the future. Yeah, so we are not really concerned on that. Yeah, so management again, okay, posted some cautionary statement here. So we already provided a summary for you. Despite the confidence that ARR will re-accelerate, okay, in the back half of financial year 2026, okay, management cautioned that until then, visibility is limited. Yeah, it's because of elongated sales cycle, some headwinds because of the packages, because some customer perhaps maybe give them a discount maybe up to 1 year or 2 year, we do not know, because each customer has different packages. All we know is that they give them a very favorable package to entice them, okay, to get more modules, okay, entice them to sign longer term, okay, but this will benefit CrowdStrike over, okay, several years, okay. So we are just okay lah, okay, we are quite confident to hold CrowdStrike for now, okay, for the long term, okay. So summary for CrowdStrike, okay, for summary, yeah. And before summary here, now a gift for you guys, okay, who watch this video here, yeah. Now, BIA here is very proud to announce, okay, that we will be launching, okay, a stock program for you guys. Yes, okay. This stock program here is the ones that people last time paid $2,000 to $2,000, $5,000, $7,000, okay, to attend one. We decided to give this for free for you guys. Okay, there's a 21 videos here. Okay, 21 videos here for you guys to take a look. Okay, and this is free for you guys to watch. Okay, so these are the topics, okay, or the modules for you guys. Yeah, for you guys to learn, like from financial statement, competitive advantage, business risk, how to value companies, okay, mistakes that you guys need to know so that you don't repeat, and what are the criteria, okay, of a good company and stuff. All of this here, you will get to learn for free. So how do you claim it? Okay, listen to me carefully. This stock program will launch on 1st January 2025. And I will post the YouTube playlist in our Telegram group. So if you want, okay, you can click the link down below, okay, and join to gain the free access here. Or you can scan the QR code here. You scan the QR code, join the Telegram, and on 1st January 2025, I will post the playlist, okay, the YouTube playlist, and you guys can enjoy and watch our program for free. All right. Okay. So let's go ahead for CrowdStrike's summary here. So for a quick summary, I will tell you guys, CrowdStrike is taking a short-term financial headwind. Okay, because of the CCP, because of the customer packages, right? Over the next 2 to 3 quarters to compensate for the July 19 outage. But in exchange, if you are long-term, okay, long-term investor, CrowdStrike is setting up for an acceleration in the back half of next year. That's when the offer expires already, right? Okay, that's when the customers revert back to the original price. That's when you can see acceleration rate. Okay, we can't wait to see how CrowdStrike perform next year. So go over point by point. CrowdStrike is still winning customers. July 19 incident, they turn it into an advantage. They use the customer commitment package to encourage customers to sign bigger contract value and longer contract period. Okay, and this is already evidenced by the large contract customer wins I showed you guys just now. Yeah, so revenue may re-accelerate back once the discounts are over. Yeah, so in short, nothing is wrong with CrowdStrike. Yeah, and this is one of my highest conviction stock already, okay, for CrowdStrike in terms of the cybersecurity industry. Okay, and for now, I'm very glad, okay, to hold them for the long term so far. Okay, so again, guys, I hope you guys learn a lot. Okay, and see you in my next video. Okay, and don't forget to join our Telegram group. Okay, so see you guys.